Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the most relentless of them all? If you want to know how I went from this to this with a pit stop of failure in between, then keep watching and see how I turn a finger waves neigh into a flexirod sleigh. That spin around, baby. So we're jumping right into the failure, okay? Let's start with the bad news. The bad news is my hair is too long for finger waves or natural hair. If I had a pixie cut, sure, but not at this length. The good news is I didn't crash out and turn this hair fail into a new style I can add to my new cut, new era rotation. Now, we haven't perfected things yet, but this is Relentless Beauty, honey. We're going to improve and we're going to figure this thing out. Y'all see how angry I snatched that shower curtain back? So I ended up washing out all the gel with my Michel shampoo, and then I did an additional quick conditioner with the Pantene just to make sure my hair is properly moisturized before heat styling. Next, I used my leave-in spray, foam wrap, and a heat protectant before blow drying my hair. Then I used my hair milk and a little oil and heat protectant before flat ironing. I wanted to try something different this time by using those products instead of my leave-in spray, avocado milk, and hair grease. I wanted to see if my hair came out lighter and bouncier, which it did, but I kind of like the heaviness. I feel like my hair straightens better with a little more product in my hair. So this flat iron is preset to 410 degrees, which I know is too much for my hair. But what I don't know is what flat irons y'all recommend because you never put it in the comment section. So right now I have a Remington in my cart. I'm still doing my research. Now, what I have learned is the reason why my hair isn't getting straight how I want it to is because my hair is still damaged. There's still more damage that needs to be cut off, even though I've done a big chop. So that's why my hair frizzes back up almost immediately. It's because my cuticle is still kind of semi-open because it's damaged, because I have to find that moisture protein balance and just nurse my hair back to health and get the rest of that damage cut off. So I just wanted to add a few more drops of oil to my hair because when I tell you my hair stayed moisturized the entire time between my wash days, and I really feel like oiling my scalp a day or two after last week's wash day really made a difference. I think I only used my hair milk once in between washes. Though I can tell that the season change is affecting my scalp. My scalp was super itchy and dry by the end of the week, and I think that's because it's finally gotten colder, so we've cranked up the heat. So keep that in mind, beauties. What works for your hair in warmer months might not do the trick when it gets colder. It's like makeup. You have to have your winter complexion shade and your summer complexion shade for your foundation. Now, I've done flexirod sets on other people, but I think this is my first time doing one on myself. So basically, you just place the rod behind the portion of your hair. Try not to grab too wide of a portion, as that can cause too much tension on the scalp. But if you want looser curls, choose wider sections that just aren't too wide. Up to no good, as usual. Slide the rod down to the ends, wrap that end around, and then roll. It takes a little practice getting the tension right, so give yourself grace, like I'm giving myself grace, okay? Your 15th set will look way better and more polished than your first, trust me. And just in case y'all were curious about what other sizes come, I got that from Amazon, by the way. It's like 47 pieces for $13. And then make sure that you are bending them towards the front to keep it in place. I made the mistake of bending it backwards, and that's just going to make it flip and fall out. And voila, it is the next day. So after I rolled my hair up yesterday, I sprayed a little bit of my Cream of Nature leave-in on and a little bit of spritz. Probably shouldn't have did the spritz because I really don't see anything that it did, but I knew I still needed to exercise and I needed to take a shower. So I wanted to have a little bit of protection to, like lock in and keep the frizz away. Lock in the style. So I took a few drops of oil so I could separate the curls, and then I just played around with it. I'm just adding a little edge control so my look will be more polished. And honestly, I was feeling myself. I really feel like I slayed this. Now, I know it's not salon quality professional, but listen, for what I'm used to doing to myself, this is a slay. Also, let me know in the comments if y'all want a little slight eyebrow tutorial, okay? Because I did my eyebrows today, old school, with some Palmer's cocoa butter and the little eyebrow shaper thingy, the little mini razor. So y'all let me know. I was trying to finesse this frizz, honey, because my hair did start to revert back. I don't know if it was exercising, the shower, or just sweating because it got hot in the night, but here we are. I'm giving a little bit of Ray, honey. Ow, I got to know, man, on me. It's about to get sweaty. So yes, if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the fam, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.